Good morning, dear student. Now let us begin our new chapter, chapter 3, factor and multiples. Already I told you this definition of factor and multiples. You have to remember this factor means divide and multiple means multiply. You have to note down also in your copy. Okay. And now some definition is also there and from in your book. You have to fill it, and this page number is your of your book 40. From page number 40 you have to do this 5 definition in your copy also. This one: co-prime number, composite number, prime number, odd number, and even number. Okay, now note down this definition in your copy. Now first you have to understand this kind of different kind of number. First number is your even number. Even number means, here I am explaining you the definition. You have to write which one is given in your book only. Okay, the number which are completely divisible by 2. The number which are completely divisible by 2. Suppose that if I am writing here 48. 48 is divided by 2. If you will check it, then you will get, yes, it is completely divided by, and how many times? 24 times. So this 48 is your even number. So whenever you will see the any numeral, so you have to divide it, then you will get, if it is completely divide by 2, that means it is your even number. If I am writing here some numeral 49, this 49 is divisible by 2. No, this number is not divisible by 2. This number is your odd number. So you have to remember only for even number concept. In one place, if you will see 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, अगर तुम्हें इन वंस प्लेस पे ये डिजिट दिख रही है, जैसे 24 लिखा, वंस प्लेस क्या है? 4 है. 26 है, वंस प्लेस क्या है? 6 है. 28 है, वंस प्लेस क्या है? 8 है. ओके, तो दीज नंबर्स आर इवन नंबर. How can we find out? If you can see this on one's place, this number, it means that number is your even number. Okay, now remaining one number, if you will see, that number is your odd number. So what is the definition? Just opposite of your even number definition. Even number definition means that number is divisible by 2. Or for odd, the definition, the number which are not divisible by 2 are called even number. See, leave this number, remaining one number, that is your odd number. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay, see, these number always come, even number always end in this number, and odd number always end with this numbers. Okay, clear it now? Now prime number, the number having only 2 factor, that is 1 and the number itself, are called prime number. ऐसे number जिनके केवल 2 ही factors होते हैं, you have to remember prime number. प्राइम नंबर मीन्स जिनके 2 फैक्टर होते हैं. कितने फैक्टर्स होते हैं? 2 फैक्टर्स. ओके, फर्स्ट 1 और दूसरा नंबर इटसेल्फ. ऐसे नंबर वही होते हैं जो केवल खुद की टेबल में आते हैं. इट मीन्स विच नंबर इज कमिंग इन ओन टेबल. ओके, लाइक 2 इज कमिंग इन अनदर वन टेबल. नो, 2 किसी के टेबल में नहीं आता. 3 is also not coming in any table. 3 is coming in only own table. They are having attitudes, little kind of attitude they are having. ठीक है, तुम भी तो थोड़ा बहुत एटीट्यूड रखते हो, तो वैसे ही प्राइम नंबर्स भी थोड़ा सा एटीट्यूड रखते हैं कि किसी की टेबल में इंटरफेयर नहीं करते. लाइक इफ आई एम राइटिंग ए 4, यस, 4 इट कमिंग इन विच टेबल? 2 टेबल. 2 1 जा 2, 2 2 जा 4, देखो उसकी टेबल में आ रहा है ना. ठीक है, तो ये आपका प्राइम नंबर नहीं है. दिस नंबर इज नॉट योर प्राइम नंबर. नेक्स्ट नंबर 5 is coming in any table? No. 6 is coming. 6 is coming in which table? 3 and 2, both table. If you will see, this 6 is coming in both the table. So this number is also not your prime number. Okay, so understood the definition of a prime number? Those number is coming in own table, यानी जो खुद की टेबल में आते हैं, they are it's called prime number. So you have to learn the definition. Prime number having 2 factor. फर्स्ट इज 1 एंड दूसरा क्या होता है, एंड सेकेंड 1 इज योर नंबर इटसेल्फ. सी, अब इस 2 के मैंने फैक्टर किए, तो 2 के फैक्टर क्या होंगे? तो 1 केवल 1 के टेबल में आता है और दूसरा खुद के टेबल में आएगा. तो सी, 1 and 2, ओनली 2 फैक्टर, दीज आर द नंबर. ओके, नाउ विच वन आई क्रॉस्ड, दैट इज योर कंपोजिट नंबर. प्राइम नंबर एंड कंपोजिट नंबर वाइज वर्सा, मतलब एक दूसरे के उल्टे होते हैं. ओके, इवन नंबर एंड ऑड नंबर एक दूसरे के opposite होते हैं, same as prime number and composite number also. So which one digit I cut it, that number is your composite number. So what is the definition? Here only 2 factor is coming. And now for composite number more than 2 factor, more than 2 factor यानी 2 factor से ज़्यादा आने चाहिए. Okay, तो the number having the composite number, the number having more than 2 factor are called composite number, like that 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so these are the prime number, these are the composite number. Here is mentioned in your example. Okay, now one is neither prime nor composite. वन ना आपका प्राइम होता है ना कंपोजिट होता है. इट इज़ ए यूनिक नंबर एज इट होज ओनली वन फैक्टर. और इसके कितने फैक्टर होते हैं? केवल वन फैक्टर होते हैं. यू हैव टू रिमेंबर दिस टॉपिक, दिस पॉइंट यू हैव टू रिमेंबर इट. ओके, वन इज़ नीदर प्राइम नॉर कंपोजिट. वो किसी के साथ में भी नहीं आता, वो दोनों के लिए इक्वल होता है. ओके, किसी के भी पार्टनर नहीं होता. तो वन आपका नीदर प्राइम नॉर कंपोजिट. इट इज़ ए यूनिक नंबर. तुमको भी वन पोजीशन पे आना है, देन यू विल ऑल्सो यूनिक विथ एवरी वन. ओके, सो दैट एटीट्यूड इज हैविंग वन. अंडरस्टूड नाउ? नाउ को प्राइम नंबर. What is the definition of co-prime number? Two numbers are said to be co-prime if they have only one as their common factor. What is only common factor? Only one common. We are comparing always in two between of two number. Co-prime number always we are comparing with two prime number. ऐसे नहीं है मैंने 2 लिखा, मैं इसको co-prime number नहीं बोल सकती. जब मैं यहाँ पे एक another one digit, if I will write this 2 digit, ठीक है, इन 2 डिजिट के बीच में ही मेरे को कंपैरिजन करना है कि क्या ये को प्राइम नंबर है, इज दिस वन इज योर को प्राइम नंबर और नॉट. सो हाउ इज इट पॉसिबल? इफ आई विल चेक इफ देयर एनी रिलेशन, इफ दे आर फैक्टर इन बिटवीन ऑफ देम, इफ दे आर बॉन्ड इन बिटवीन ऑफ देम, देन it is not a co-prime number. If they have only one factor in between of them, no factor except only one, no factor except only one. See, 2 and 3. Any factor is there? Any bond is there in between? No. Only one is there. One is the factor of in between of them. So these number are co-prime number. If I am writing here 3 and 6, this number is a co-prime number? No. Why? 6 is coming in 3 table. 6 is coming in 3 table. So these are the with and one bond. And which one is a one bond? 3. 3 इन 3 की टेबल में 3 भी आता है और 3 की टेबल में 6 भी आता है. एंड ये तो 1 के साथ साथ में 3 का फैक्टर भी हो रहे हैं. तो दीज नंबर इज योर नॉट ए को प्राइम नंबर. अंडरस्टूड नाउ? इफ आई एम राइटिंग हियर 4 and 5, you can see any bond in between of them? No. So these are the except only one, then these are the your co-prime number. Okay, now exercise 3.1. Write first 5 multiple of. You have to write first 5 multiple. Multiple means multiply. Multiply means tables. You have to remember multiply, multiple, multiply, table. So you have to write 22 table. How many time? 5 time. 30 table. How many time? 5 time. 50 table. How many time? 5 time. How can you write it? You can write like that also. Question number 1. Twenty-two 1 जा 22, 22 2 जा 66, 22 4 जा 88, 22 5 जा 110. Okay, got it now? How can you do this 5 multiple? Remaining one you will do at your home. Okay, as a practice. Now next question. Next question, write all the common factor of 5 and 10. Write all the common factor. Question number 2. Common factor you are writing 5 and 10 के बीच का common factor लिखना है. कैसे लिखोगे? First you have to do the factor of 5. फैक्टर करना है 5 का और 10 का फैक्टर करना है. ओके, सो कैसे फैक्टर होगा? 5 स्टार्ट किससे करते हैं? 1 से. 1 की टेबल में 5 इज कमिंग हाउ मेनी टाइम? ओनली 1, 5 टाइम. ओके, और 2 की टेबल में आता है, इज इट कमिंग इन 2 टेबल 5? नो. 3 टेबल? नो. 4 टेबल? नो. 5 टेबल? येस. हाउ मेनी टाइम? 5 की टेबल में कमिंग होता है, कितनी बार आता है? 1 टाइम आता है. तो यहाँ पे तुम्हें रिपीटेशन दिखने लग गया. 1 into 5, 5 into 1. Repetition होने लगे. After counting, then you will see the repetition is going on. Then repetition one digit we are not writing, only cross it, and which one is digit is remaining, you have to write it. So the 5 factor is your 1 and 5. Now for 10, start from always your 1. You check from always 1, that in 1 table 10 is coming how many time? 10 time. In 2 table how many time? 5 time. 3 table? No. 4 table? No. 5 table? Yes, it's coming how many time? 2 time. What you will observe? Again repetition is going 2 into 5, 5 into 2. Repetition is going on. So that repetition one digit you will not write. You just cross it with your pencil and write, and you make this type of the half circle. Okay. Why we are not writing repetition one digit? Because it means only this much are the factor. When you will see the digit are repeated, then you stop your process of your counting one. Like you are counting now 1 के table में, 2 के table में, 3, 4, 5, 6, like that you are checking in which table it's coming this 10. Then if you will see repetition, then you stop your process and make it this half circle. Okay, this half circle is showing the factor of your 10, 1, 2, 5 and 10. Understood now? Now what you will observe, what is the common in between of them? Only 1, 1, 1 and this 5 also. You have to make a circle which digit is common in between of them. So what is the common? 1, 1 and 5 and 5. So you have to write here common factor of 1 and 5. Well, common factor of 5 and 10 क्या है? Common factor. This is the question. Common factor of 5 and 10 क्या है अपने पास में? 1 and 5. These means this is your answer. This is the question number 2. First I solve here. This is the question number 1. First I solve. Okay, understood 9? This is your exercise. You have to do because I am explaining also, that's why my handwriting is not look good, but you have to do with work in good handwriting. Okay, remember it, and draw a line after finishing all questions. Okay, clear it? Now question number 3rd. Question number 3rd I am explaining in book only. Check if the following pair are co-prime or not. So I told you already, if you will see any bond in between of them, then it is not your prime number. If you no bond, it means that they are co-prime. 5 and 7, they are any bond? No. These are the co-prime number. 15 and 20, yes, they are coming. They both are the coming in which table? They both are the coming in any table. This 15 is coming in 5 table also. This 20 is coming is also 5 in table. So they are more factor. So these are not a co-prime number. This number is also both are the coming in 5 table. This both number is coming in 3 table. So these are not your co-prime number except only this one. Understood now? This is the exercise 3.1. You have to do with definitions, this 5 definition, and then your exercise. This is your homework.